Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a broom and dustpan with paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need several sheets of sturdy paper, like cardstock or construction paper, to ensure your tools are durable. Also, grab a pair of scissors, a ruler, and a pencil for accurate measurements and clean cuts. Don't forget a strong adhesive, such as craft glue or a reliable glue stick, to hold everything together securely. Now, let's start with the dustpan. Begin by cutting a rectangular piece of paper, roughly 8 by 10 inches, which will form the base. Next, take one of the 8-inch sides and fold it up by about 1.5 inches. This fold creates the essential lip of your dustpan. Finally, make 2 small cuts on the folded corners, then apply glue and secure them to form the upright sides of your dustpan. Moving on to the broom, first cut a long strip of paper, approximately 1 inch wide, to serve as your broom handle. Then, prepare a separate rectangular piece of paper, about 6 by 8 inches, which will become the bristles. Carefully cut one of the 8-inch sides of this paper into thin, even strips, making sure to leave about 1 inch uncut at the top. This uncut section will keep your bristles together. For the final assembly, take your bristled paper and securely attach it to one end of the broom handle using your chosen adhesive. Once that's dry, carefully glue the other end of the broom handle to the back of your paper dustpan, ensuring it's firmly in place. You've now created a functional paper broom and dustpan. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.